We are going to start work on our RCA Victor sound tape cartridge player and recorder. So first what we must do is we must take off which is slightly rusty. It's not a good sign. Screws are quite rusty. Okay. Now, let's take off that. Take out our cartridge. Okay, and might as well take that off before it gets damaged. And then we have a screw in the middle. Pull off our knobs, which actually somebody did put. Oh wow, look at that. They put metal in the knob. They actually put metal inside of the knob. Huh. That's pretty genius. Okay. Oh, look at that. Okay, well, that's off. Put that there. Oh, would you look at that. Look at that. That's a CNI tube. Right there. Look at this. This is the CNI tube right here. Let me... I don't want to break it, but I'm going to take it out. Wow, look at that. Here's our CNI tube. So, made in Holland. It is not a... Wow, look at that. Ain't that something? It's an E, it's a 6FG6 or a EM84. Let's put that somewhere safe where it ain't gonna get damaged. Can't afford to break that. Wow. This is quite cutting edge. I mean, it's... Oh, I see. Is that how it's supposed to be? I guess there's no... Oh, okay. That's interesting. I guess that's normal. maybe. I don't know. That's our speed selector. Okay. So. Okay. So now what you do is, well, you follow your instructions right here. It teaches you how to do it. To service tubes, remove motor board. Remove 4 red screws and block handle in extended position. Okay, remove 4 red screws. Right here, red. Only the red ones. That one's red. So we got 3 red screws, unless that was red at one point. These are remove from extended position. Oh! That's fine. That actually stays like that. Okay. Let's see. Remove 4 red screws. All I see is. Oh. This was probably red at one point. This also, I think, is seen service. Because it is appearing. Let me pull out that knob. It is appearing to have had the screws removed. So now, 4 red screws in block handle in extended position. Place and rewind position. Okay. Okay, place and rewind position, and I guess I could do this with an 8-track. I guess stuff a cloth in it. It's a weird procedure, but oh yeah, and remove speaker leads. So speaker leads should be here somewhere. Oh yeah. Yep, right there. 1, 2. Got it. Okay. We've got it. Yeesh. Okay. Oh, shit. Let's take a look at our player. Look at this. Does have tube shields too. It's very surprising. Oh wow, that belt. We got a motor, which is still on its grommets. we have a selenium rectifier that looks decent. Amazingly enough, the tape counter belt's still intact. Our motor's grommets aren't really doing too well, but as we can see, it's got its tubes. And the belt is literally on the tube. These are, though, RCA tubes. I'll test these. Yeah, I won't touch them right now. This would have had a tube shield, but it's missing. We have 80 microfarad at 250 volts, 25 microfarad at 25 volts. I could just put it at 22. But amazingly, it's well, I'd say it's all here. It appears to be, at least. Oh, great. I guess the next thing to do... Oh, these are really small. Huh. Well, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cage opened. Also, this selenium rectifier looks okay, right here at least. I think the main power selenium rectifier is shot, though. But we will see. So, now I'm going to get off some of these screws. Here we go. Oh yeah, all original. Yep, that's bad. That smells awful. Well, that selenium is the one that went bad. I could smell the rotten eggs on it. So, this has to be changed. But we do have 0.039 microfarads, 0.039 microfarads, and 0.02. Oh, that one's no good. Surely not. These don't look good either. They're probably okay. Either that or somebody replaced them with something else. They all look like they're melded. Here's our electrolytic capacitor. Also, this thing looks pretty brand new inside. But yeah, look at the precision technology they put into it. So that's plus. So I would have to mount a terminal strip here. Shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. I am going to take out the tubes though, because I'm going to do some troubleshooting test on this. Let's see if we have a date on these tubes. 62-48. 19. This. Oh, that can't be right. So, as you can see, it's starting to. Well, it's got like metal particles on it, which isn't good. Hopefully this transformer is still good. If this is bad, then we're in deep bad trouble. Which is why I'm disconnecting the tubes, so this transformer will stay fine. I already disconnected one of them. RCA. It is an RCA tube because it's got the... But the belt is caked on it. That's all the belt. It is from 1962, so this machine is from 1962. Well, presumably 1962. 62-48. It definitely isn't from 1948, but it's from 62. So, 62nd week of I don't know. This got to be replaced before we even power this up again, but I'm going to do some checks on this. I'm going to put it on low voltage with the Variac, so I don't kill anything or have this go off. Oh, it smells awful. Okay, here we are. Here's our power. Ah, there's the power. Okay, so black, and red should be 26 ohms. So black, I guess this is red. I've replaced our selenium rectifier here. I replaced it with a modern silicon diode. Rescued from a circuit board, and I put in a 100 ohm 10 watt resistor. That should be plenty enough for this to work. And now all that's left is to power it up without the tubes and see if we get better. If we get any B+. Ah, there we go. Voltage. So wait, this is... Oh, the capacitor's charged with that little bit. Damn. There's no tape in it for it to even think about. Yep, there's no tape. That's probably why the motor ain't going. it has to have a tape inserted. So okay. Oh, duh. Ah, that's why. Piece of shit meter. Well, our motor's running. And we got current flow. Motor could need some oil, but hey, it's working. It's a little, it's not warm, but it feels like it's getting a tad bit hot. I say let's get our tubes in and see what this is going to do. Because our new selenium rectifier substitute is in. Oh. Let's take our knob out, put it back in its thing. Okay. Right now I'm getting the capstan off. Oh, man, look at that. This belt literally just disintegrated everywhere. Holy shit. Our tube is lighting. Look at that, the tube is lighting. Wasn't doing that before. Actually got B+ working. Now it's lighting our tubes. It's not a very bright tube, but it is what it is. I wonder if it's the cartridge, so we can hear what's going on. Come on. It's actually sound coming out of it. Very low in volume. It's low in volume, but it's working. Let's see what's on the other side. So now, what it is. Oh God. The sound is coming through it.